Okay, welcome back. Okay, so as I said just now, we're going to discuss on the accounting for associate. Okay, so this comes from textbook. Okay, chapter 14. Alright, you can refer to the text. If you have a textbook, you can refer to chapter 14, accounting for associate and joint arrangement. So because to cater the time frame, alright, and also to make it more easier for the student to understand, so I split into two different video. So we start with associate first, and then after that we're going to look at what about accounting for joint arrangement. Okay, and then because by doing that, we can see the difference. What are the similarities? What are the difference between associate and joint arrangement? Okay, so accounting for associate, this is very short video, alright? So just bear with me, alright? I hope it will help you. Okay, so for the associate, it's covered under FAR610. Alright, so I hope you still remember, okay, talking about the percentage of shareholdings control, okay, or percentage of controlling interest, okay, between holding company and subsidiary, okay. If the shareholding or controlling interest is more than 50%, automatically the investee become a subsidiary, okay. Investee means subsidiary. Investor is a holding company. Okay, so what if the controlling interest less than 50% or equal to 50% or less? Okay, so the investee is no more a subsidiary. Okay, so the status now is an associate. Okay, always remember dalam kelas saya ada mention subsidiary is anak sendiri, associate anak angkat. Okay, so for the associate, dia tak adalah elemen controlling interest. Means holding company tak ada direct controlling interest. So apa yang dia ada? Only significant influence. Okay, so associate is an entity over which the investor, which is holding company, has significant influence. Okay, so associate is not a subsidiary and also not a joint venture. Okay, so presume to have significant influence over the investee if the investors hold directly or indirectly 20% or more. Means associate, dia punya significant influence must be 20% and more, but cannot exceed 50%. So kalau less than 20%, it's not associate. So what shall we call it? Simple investment. Macam mana kita nak identify investor has significant influence? Okay, so ada evidences. So evidence of the existence of significant influence, okay, so as been listed here, is a representation of the board of directors. Maknanya is part of board of directors. So if holding company is a representative in the board of directors, means holding company has significant influence with the percentage of controlling interest less than 50%. Okay, can participate in policy making. Okay, material intercompany transactions, mana ada involving intercompany transaction, mana ada transaction between holding company jual barang pada associate ataupun associate jual barang pada holding company. Alright, interchange on managerial personnel. Okay, ada interchange. Okay, macam kita punya student exchange. Alright, so adalah transition. Okay, personnel means human, between entity holding and associate. And then depends on technical information. Technical information maknanya the information must come from the internal sources. Maknanya holding company totally depends on the technical information in the associate itself. Okay. So how about the accounting treatment of associate? Okay. Because associate is not a subsidiary. Alright. So, if not a subsidiary means we are not going to consolidate associate. Okay. So, bila kita prepare consolidation account nanti, associate should be excluded. Okay. So, apa effect accounting treatment of associate on the preparation of consolidation financial statement? Only item investment in associate, meaning holding company need to calculate or determine how much total investment in associate. So investment in associate actually nilai carrying amount of investment in associate. So it actually at cost. So FAR610, okay, which related to disclosure of interest in other entities, okay, interest in other entities, which is associate, requires investor to account for the associate which is not held for sale. Okay, so at cost in financial statement by using equity method. So we're going to discuss what is equity method after this. Okay, so we stop here for a while and we continue with accounting treatment of joint arrangement. Alright, thank you.